back then. I think I was like 9 years old, but now I'm gonna turn 11. There's one funny. Should react to this. This is why I should do that.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, Alexander County in southern Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, Saline County in southern Illinois, Franklin County in south-central Illinois, Hardin County in southern Illinois, Union County in southern Illinois, Pulaski County in southern Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, Johnson County in southern Illinois, Perry County in south-central Illinois, White County in southeastern Illinois, Massac County in southern Illinois, Williamson County in southern Illinois, Gallatin County in southern Illinois, Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, Pope County in southern Illinois, Jackson County in southern Illinois, Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, Gibson County in southwestern Indiana, Posey County in southwestern Indiana, Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Pike County in southwestern Indiana, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, Callaway County in western Kentucky, Livingston County in western Kentucky, Christian County in south-central Kentucky, Caldwell County in western Kentucky, Ballard County in western Kentucky, Fulton County in western Kentucky, Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, Union County in northwestern Kentucky, Lyon County in western Kentucky, McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, Graves County in western Kentucky, Marshall County in western Kentucky, McCracken County in western Kentucky, Trigg County in western Kentucky, Muhlenberg County in south-central Kentucky, Crittenden County in western Kentucky, Hickman County in western Kentucky, Carlisle County in western Kentucky, Todd County in south-central Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky, Ballinger County in southeastern Missouri, Perry County in southeastern Missouri, Ripley County in southeastern Missouri, Carter County in southeastern Missouri, Stoddard County in southeastern Missouri, Scott County in southeastern Missouri, New Madrid County in southeastern Missouri, Wayne County in southeastern Missouri, Mississippi County in southeastern Missouri, Butler County in southeastern Missouri, Cape Girardeau County in southeastern Missouri, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Calhoun to near Holka, moving southeast at 210 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Expected hazards include 100 miles per hour wind gusts and grapefruit-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Evansville, Owensboro, Cape Girardeau, Hopkinsville, Henderson, Carbondale, Paducah, Madisonville, Murray, Marion, Poplar Bluff, Sykeston, Jackson, Heron, Mayfield, Harrisburg, Perryville, West Frankfort, Murfreesboro, and Dexter. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These are dangerous storms. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. These are potentially deadly storms. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. These thunderstorms are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jefferson, Alexander, Edwards, Hamilton, Saline, Franklin, Hardin, Union, Pulaski, Wayne, Johnson, Perry, White, Massac, Williamson, Gallatin, Wabash, Pope, and Jackson, and the following counties in Indiana: Vanderburgh, Spencer, Gibson, Posey, Warwick, and Pike, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson, Hopkins, Callaway, Livingston, Christian, Caldwell, Ballard, Fulton, Daviess, Union, Lyon, McLean, Graves, Marshall, McCracken, Trigg, Muhlenberg, Crittenden, Hickman, Carlisle, Todd, and Webster, and the following counties in Missouri: Ballinger, Perry, Ripley, Carter, Stoddard, Scott, New Madrid, Wayne, Mississippi, Butler, and Cape Girardeau.
Okay, that's too much. It's less time. No, not 11 minutes. It's like, how about 2 minutes? Okay. The National Weather Service in the Flint City area has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Clinton County in Flint City and extreme southwestern Plush City County in Flint City until 6 o'clock, until 8 o'clock at 7:34 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was capable of seeing a tornado was located southwest of Plush City and 25 miles southwest of Crickettville, more northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard tornado in golf ball size hail. Source radar indicated rotation. Impacts expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations facts include Mikesburg, Clintonville, Cricketville, Plainville City Heights, Mikesburg Heights, Plainville City South, Mikesburg South, and Uglytown North. Take cover now. Move in the basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Warn windows if you're outdoors, and protect your and warn windows and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued till 8 o'clock p.m. Plainville daylight time for the following counties: Plainville City, Plainville, Redville, Clinton, and Plush City, Plainville City.
Until 8 p.m. Wednesday evening for Northern New York.
Due to the severe weather event, the required weekly test is canceled. Unfortunately, the required weekly test is canceled. The civil authorities has issued a civil emergency message. The civil authorities has issued a civil during a danger warning for the whole Plainville City area, effective until further notice. We have the virus focusing in the whole Plainville City area. If you're in the Plainville City area, it is also with severe weather as well. It's not because of the severe weather, it's because of the virus. Unfortunate, the required weekly test is canceled for the whole Plainville City area due to severe weather in a zombie event. The virus event. If you're in the Plainville City area, evacuate to the north, southwestern Uglytown area, or the Plush Town area. Thank you. I am Daniel O'Neill. I am EBS or Emergency Billing System. Signing off. Thank you. I am EIS Billy.